Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the rainbow vehicle in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to this menu, My Little Pony Update menu. And from the My Little Pony Update, there is an event called Rainbow Vehicle Collection. And from this event, you will be able to get the rainbow vehicle. I'm going to go to the event details. Okay, there are 6 vehicles that you can obtain, and to obtain the vehicle you need to have the exhibition pass like this. So this is how the exhibition pass looks like, and you need to have the exhibition pass to obtain the rainbow vehicle. Okay, I'm going to select this Violet Fantasy, click on Obtain Now, and this is my balance, guys. And we need to draw using 30 exhibition pass, and if we're lucky, we'll get the vehicle. And from drawing, I already got this shoes and also this dress, and I'm going to draw it again and let's see what we'll get. I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, I hope that I can get the oh, I didn't get the vehicle, but that's okay. I got this Twilight Sparkle game console backpack. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the rainbow vehicle in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!